In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the Bible version in the Bible app. We will walk through this on an Android device using the YouVersion Bible app so you can quickly move between different translations while you read. First, open the Bible app on your Android device. Look for the familiar dark icon with the words Holy Bible on it, then tap it once. When the app opens, you should land either on the Home tab or wherever you last were. You might see your verse of the day, reading plans, or recent activity. If the app asks for any quick prompts such as daily reminder times, you can leave them as they are for now, since they do not affect the Bible version. Now, tap Bible at the bottom. This button sits in the bottom menu bar, alongside other options like plans or search, depending on your version of the app. Once you tap Bible, the screen changes to show the main Bible reading view, with verses filling most of the screen. At the very top, you will see the current book and chapter, for example John chapter 3, and somewhere near that you will see a short code like NIV or KJV that tells you which version is currently active. Next up, tap the current Bible version name at the top, for example NIV. This version label is usually near the top left or top center of the reading screen, and it might look like a small button. When you tap it, a new panel or full screen list opens. You will now see a long list of Bible versions, often grouped by language. Many English versions appear near the top if your device language is set to English. From there, choose your preferred Bible version from the list. Scroll up or down slowly until you find the version you want, such as King James Version, New International Version, English Standard Version, New King James Version, or New Living Translation. Each version line usually shows its abbreviation on the left and the full name on the right, so you can double-check you picked the right one. Some versions might show a small download icon, which means the app can store them offline after you select them. After that, tap the version to start reading. The list will close, and you will return to the main Bible reading screen. At the top, the version label now shows the new abbreviation you just chose. The text of the chapter on your screen updates immediately to match that translation, even if you stay in the same book and verse. A helpful detail here is that once you select a version, the Bible app remembers it for the next time you open the Bible tab, so you do not need to repeat this every day. You have now learned how to change the Bible version in the YouVersion Bible app on Android, so give this video a thumbs up if it helped and consider subscribing for more simple Bible app tips.